Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming two essentials. The watch is paired and the Noise Companion app is open on both devices. Once done, make sure firmware is current. Updates can move or rename toggles. Now on the watch, open Settings, swipe to Sensors or Activity, and locate the step or pedometer option. Tap it to reveal the control. This first action puts you in the right place to stop step counting without delays or unnecessary factory resets. Next, turn off the sensor and app permissions that feed step data. On the watch, toggle off step counter or pedometer. If the option is under motion or sensors, disable that instead. Then open the Noise phone app, go to Permissions or Health Settings, and revoke activity or motion access. Make sure to force a sync. Open the app, tap Sync Now, and watch the status. Doing both sides prevents the phone from re-enabling counting and explains why two toggles must be adjusted. To finish, restart the watch and your phone so the new settings take effect. Simple reboots often lock in permission changes. Once rebooted, open the activity log to confirm step entries stop. If counts persist, update watch firmware first. If that fails, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if steps still record, revoke physical motion permission in the phone OS settings and reinstall the Noise app before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.